Hi, this is Bitcoins. We are here to talk about the GoMining app. This is serving as a basic tutorial for how to step by step for how to get started. If you want to know the how and the who and the why about who and what GoMining is, then a video has been created. You could either look in my YouTube history or on the Discord to go into the mining group or the mining channel, and you'll see the video there explaining what GoMining is. But this video will serve as a getting started step-by-step tutorial. The who and the what, it starts simply as this is a beginner's guide on how to get started with GoMining, the Bitcoin cloud mining app that lets you earn daily rewards without needing expensive hardware or technical expertise. GoMining uses NFT-based digital miners backed by real mining equipment and professional data centers, making it accessible for anyone. This tutorial compiles the essential steps based on official guides focusing on setup, purchasing, mining, earning, and more. You can start with as little as $24, and it's designed for passive income. Think of it as a high yield savings account, anywhere between 35 and 43% possible annual returns in Bitcoin. That's dollar cost averages your Bitcoin accumulation over time, converting depreciating fiat into appreciating Bitcoin. Plus, Bitcoin is programmed to increase in scarcity and historically price every 4 years through halvings. Always use the official site GoMining or app for security. Steps may vary slightly with updates, so check the platform for the latest details. Now we're going to get into understanding the basics and preparing. Before we dive in, know that GoMining simplifies Bitcoin mining by letting you own digital miners as NFTs that represent real hash rate from real physical miners. This provides true ownership, daily Bitcoin rewards, and no personal maintenance costs. So traditional mining is complex and costly and wastes a lot of time and effort, but GoMining handles it all via the app or the web. And as you can see here, we're going to go through the app, whether you have iOS or Android. Requirements: just a phone or a laptop with internet, an email for sign up, and optionally an external crypto wallet. There's already a wallet that's attached to it. No prior experience needed. This is just a gamified version of Bitcoin, physical, real Bitcoin mining. Tip: to use Bitcoin mining calculator on gomining.com/calculator or estimate rewards based on hash rate. Example: inputting 4 terahash. Let's see, estimate your Bitcoin rewards. Estimating 4 terahash would cost around $93. And if we have, say the typical 15 watt, it costs $117 with the lower power drain, right? Assuming Bitcoin's at 110,000, assuming we do the 3% service and the 20% use GoMining token for 20%, you can assume that you'd make $5.50 per month. Now, when Bitcoin, as Bitcoin appreciates, much like the S&P 500 has appreciated, the price of Bitcoin is going to go up. Eventually, ultimately, we anticipate Bitcoin hitting millions of dollars and replacing the US dollar as the world digital reserve currency. So imagine Bitcoin hits $10 million. If you're new to Bitcoin and you thought that Bitcoin wasn't ever going to hit $100,000, think again. Bitcoin is made to appreciate over time. Once it does hit $1 million, 5 million, 10 million, 100 million, then your $5 a day as you start, obviously you want to add more to your hash rate every time you get money. This is where you want to put your savings, part of your savings into. As your hash rate goes up, the more US dollar value you earn. Ultimately, you want to just focus on the Bitcoin value. The more Bitcoin you stack up, the better your future self is going to thank you. So that's what this calculator is for, to show you what percentage you'll earn. And this is, in this case, would be 30.55% compared to what now we're looking at 3.5% with. And from my knowledge, we have 3 more interest rate cuts coming. So by that time, by the end of the year, we'll be at around 3% savings interest rate on high yield savings. So it doesn't even come close to comparing to what this would offer in terms of your US dollar in savings value and in converting your depreciating asset into an appreciating Bitcoin asset. The idea is to start small, like the 4 terahash, and as we'll talk about a little bit later, using the referral code, you'll receive a bonus miner, 16 terahash, which if we look here, will earn you, we go to 16 terahash, will earn you 73 cents per day, $22 per month. For some people, that's a lot of money, but for everybody, it's going to be, or for everybody's going to be a lot of money in the future once Bitcoin hits $1 million in 4 years, or $5 million in 8 years, so on and so forth. The more you stack up, the better off you're going to be. So start small. Rewards can obviously, as we mentioned, can provide up to 40% annual payback in Bitcoin acting as a hedge against an economic downturn that's already been happening for the past year, in some cases 2 years, all over the world, and people are feeling it everywhere. So the next step we're going to look into is creating your account. So you can either go to the very top of this web page and click Get Digital Miner, and that's going to send you to into your miner. We're not necessarily going to look at that just yet. Whatever phone you have iOS or you have Android, it's going to send you to the GoMining app accordingly. So go ahead, I already have it installed. Go ahead and click. You can click on the reviews button to see what people say. There's already 1 million plus downloads and it's rated for everyone. Go ahead and click install. And once you click install, you will be led to back to the app. Once you click on sign up or get started and you provide your email, create a password and verify your account, you will land at this page. Optionally, you can link a crypto wallet for seamless transfers, which we will get to in another video. You can claim any free bonus miner when you use the referral code for new users to start mining immediately without purchase. One tip is to enable your 2-factor authentication for security. And you can do that by scrolling down and going into, where is it? Sorry, going back one step and clicking on the little guy in the corner. And you can set up your 2FA by clicking on that button there. I have it enabled right now. Once you're signed up, you will be led to the dashboard, which on Android, the home button is the bottom left corner. And going from top to bottom, your mining rewards will show up every 24 hours. It'll show you what you have earned per day minus fees. The next button is create a miner. From there, you have create a miner or upgrade miner. Depending on where you're at, if you already have a miner, then you'll have the option to upgrade miner, which is what you'll want to utilize from here on out. And then the other option is buy the GoMining token. You can also buy these miners with the GoMining token. And just a quick glance over what's going on this dashboard screen. You have shows the Bitcoin price, GoMining price. You have the promos that show all the different promotions and offers that are going on with GoMining. Then you have your VIP status. The more terahash and the more power you have for your miners, the higher your status goes up, and the more your VIP discount on maintenance fee will be. You'll also have higher launchpad allocations. That'll be a completely separate video. There's also a card program that is coming soon. Then there's a little bit of news giving you information, or more of an informational section. Go Boxes talks about reinvesting in terahash, which we will talk about in another video. Clan ownership is the gamified portion of GoMining, where you can earn hash rate as well. And talks about reaching either silver or gold status from here once you earn 100 terahash. It also talks about it also has some more information that you can see right there for leaderboard. It has a leaderboard, product guides, again courses as we saw on the website, and again the leaderboards, where the gamified portion is fleshed out a little bit more. You have more of the key statistics for GoMining as a whole, as a network. And then you have some more news, and you can click here to see the data centers as well live, where your hash power is being put to work. Okay, and you can scroll through and see any of those. Once you click on the little the middle button, you will see all of your miners. From here, the tabs you'll see are farm, dashboard, rewards, your daily rewards, and you can also go to mining wars, which I'm not in yet, and any NFTs that you're selling. Going back to farming, again, it shows your power, your efficiency, and your total discount. Where the timer is going off, it shows a 5-hour timer, 5-hour, 10-minute timer for when I can activate my daily 3% service. But what we are focusing on right now is the bonus miner. My bonus miners ran out. You have a bonus miner for 20 days, and it'll give you 16 terahash terahash mining rate with a 20 watt per terahash power efficiency. And you really don't need to know anything here. It just tells you what this bonus miner, this miner will help you earn your first Bitcoin rewards and show you the essential GoMining features. This is your way of learning the system before you actually have to jump in and spend any money. Complete the task one by one and enjoy your bonus miners as long as possible. And you can earn rewards by doing tasks in order to extend the life and even the efficiency or the power of your bonus miner. So keep an eye out on that, and we will have more of an extensive video explaining that more in the future. But this is where you will be starting, is with your free 16 terahash bonus miner once you use the referral code JK5S0V, which is connected to my account, so we can all enjoy these bonuses together. Monitor your daily Bitcoin output in the rewards tab. We're going to go back. Monitor daily output in the rewards tab from your free miner based on network difficulty and Bitcoin price. Use the Bitcoin miner to explore GoMiner's system before investing. Daily rewards through small, kickstart your daily cost averaging journey, and you can upgrade or sell it later if you desire. This is talking about the miner that you end up purchasing on your own. We will get to more information on the rest of these tabs at a later time. Now, to purchase your first miner, you can go from the main homepage, or you can click on the center button, the third button, or you can also click on the little shop button as well. So we're going to just go from the main homepage. You're going to click on create a miner, and it's going to give you these options. If you can select the 1 terahash in this case, and it will cost $24.86. You can select any of these pre-made tabs, $100 at a time, $250, $500, and then you can even go into custom. We're going to click custom. You can do anywhere up between $24 and $123,000 to maximize the profit potential for this NFT, this particular NFT. And here are the options that you get. Computing power, you can start with 1, 2, 4, and I believe it doubles from there. You'll want to do the you can pick between the 20 watt terahash or 15 watt per terahash as well. Then you can estimate you can basically calculate how much you would make, let's say per day, if you were to just do 1 terahash, or you can select even say 32 terahash, and it'll tell you how much you'll earn per day and the fees that'll be associated with it and the annual ROI. From there, you can select you can either select your payment type by card, or you can buy GoMining token on one of those 14 exchanges that were mentioned in the introduction video to purchase your miner with GoMining. In this case, it would be 1,572.51 GoMining tokens to buy a 32 terahash miner. Again, your options are to pay. You can pay with stable coins, fiat via your debit card, or crypto like USDT or Bitcoin USDT pricing. Use GoMining tokens for a 20% discount on maintenance fee. So it might be beneficial to buy GoMining token first before to purchase your miners instead of using US dollar. Confirm your purchase. Your unique NFT is generated instantly. Tip: buy during promotional periods and use referral links for bonuses. Higher hash rate means more rewards, but calculate your return on investment first. This step turns your fiat into a dollar cost averaging machine, earning Bitcoin daily regardless of market timing. And that's the best part about this. It doesn't matter how much knowledge you have on Bitcoin and crypto, as long as you understand your return on investment and that Bitcoin is going to continue to go up over time and is better than any savings account that you could ever have in your life, then you are in the right place. You are in the right state of mind. Now, once the miner is created, obviously we have the bonus miner working along with it. There, for example, we have this 4.26 terahash Bitcoin miner with a 20 watt per terahash miner going. And this is what you end up seeing on this page, and you can earn different badges for different stages of your miner, but you don't have to pay any attention to that. Your digital miner activates automatically and starts mining 24/7 using real data centers. Example, US based with 99% uptime. Check the dashboard or app for live stats, hash rate, energy use, and daily usage. Again, you can come down here and see all of that information as you scroll down. Tip: service, quote unquote service, as I showed you this purple button here, wherever it went, we're going to go into the miners, click the service button there, daily, every 24 hours, for a 3% maintenance discount. Mining is passive, no electricity bills for you. Over time, this builds your Bitcoin stack steadily, especially useful in downturns, as Bitcoin halvings every 4 years reduce supply and drive scarcity. Again, you don't have to do anything but press that button every 24 hours and watch your Bitcoin rewards come in. Earn and manage rewards. Rewards accrue daily in Bitcoin deposited into your GoMining wallet with 0 fees. Track earnings. Expect variations based on Bitcoin price, network difficulty, and your hash rate. Your hash rate is the most important part for figuring out your return on investment after fees. Withdraw Bitcoin anytime to an external wallet. No lockups. Boost earnings. Participate in Miner Wars, the gamified metaverse version of this game, where you can buy avatars, humans for fee reductions, join clans, and compete for extra Bitcoin / GoMining tokens. Again, that will be a completely different video once I have a clan to play with. Reinvest rewards to buy more miners or upgrade, which is another option. Once we go into settings and you go into reward settings, you can you'll see your different options here. Maintenance and GoMining, you can select to use GoMining tokens as your maintenance fees instead of the earned Bitcoin becoming your maintenance fee. So you will earn more Bitcoin per day in that way. I do not have any GoMining tokens to earn the 20% discount, but I will get there eventually, and I may switch up my strategy, which I'll talk about in another video. Rewards protection protects from negative payouts if maintenance fee is higher than the reward. In mining mode, protection applies to each miner individually. In mining wars, to the entire mining farm. And then you also have the reinvestment portion, which is what we were just describing. You can automatically convert your Bitcoin rewards into GoMining tokens to your virtual wallet or into Terahash for more hash rate, to increase your hash rate, to increase your payout, right? So that is a whole another strategy in its own. And honestly, I would just take a few days to where your bonus miner is earning some Bitcoin or GoMining tokens, whichever you choose. But I would just honestly just upgrade, just convert it to reinvest into Terahash during that time, so you can increase your Terahash on your purchased miner. If you're not purchasing a miner yet, then go ahead and just earn that Bitcoin in the time being. Another major feature about this gamified version of Bitcoin mining is you can sell your miner at any time. This is a marketplace for miners that people have posted up for different prices, and it will show you in either the badges, it'll show you the Terahash rate, it'll show you the power consumption rate, and you can buy it in either GoMining tokens or you can purchase it with other cryptocurrency as well. And from our point of view, from our dashboard, it would show up here in the sell miner section. So if you're done with this gamified version, or it's not working out for you, or you don't like how it works, or you are just trying to take one miner that you received or that you earned and convert it into GoMining tokens, and then say buy another miner, you see there's a whole nother world with selling the NFTs buying them at a lower price and selling them at a higher price. So you can use that in your game planning as well. Basically withdrawing from this game at any time, so you don't have to worry about there are a lot of other apps that do not offer this NFT option to sell out of the game, right? So that's the best part about this tip. NFTs provide liquidity to sell anytime without penalties. This flexibility is great if market conditions change unfavorably for you. Additional tips for success: security, only use official links, beware of scams. Holding Go tokens for VIP perks up to 20% discount based on holdings or votes. Scaling: start solo, then add mining wars for fun and extra rewards. Avoid common mistakes like skipping calculators or not reinvesting. Community: join Discord, Telegram groups, use referral programs for bonuses, and check the FAQ or Academy for advanced tips. And we will also have a bunch of videos for GoMining on BEG Coins page. Risk: earnings depend on Bitcoin price volatility. It's not guaranteed. GoMining has been established since 2021 with transparency of using on-chain tracking. By following these steps, you'll be mining Bitcoin in under 30 minutes. It's a smart way to dollar cost average in the Bitcoin, hedge against dollar depreciation, and benefit from halvings. If you have any questions, of course, ask me anytime, and we will hopefully you'll join in and join this journey with me and learn along the way, learn about why Bitcoin is as important as it is. It's not just about earning profit. It's about being ready for the changing of how the economy is going to work from now on. there's a huge chance that Bitcoin will be the world reserve currency in the next few years and in the future if the world economy continues to go down the drain the way it is. And we will be ready. We will have Bitcoin. We will have a Bitcoin making machine like this ready to deploy to either fix or upgrade our life, right? So if you have any questions, of course, fire away. Join our Discord group if you haven't. Ask questions in the YouTube on this YouTube video, and ultimately come into the Discord and join the mining channel where we will have daily discussions, and we'll answer any questions that you have about how this works, any game planning, any ideas that you have. Come on over and tell us how it has worked for you. So we're going to leave it at that. Thanks for watching.